This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome students. In this video, we will be having practice of future continuous tense. Before I start, I would like to give a quick recap on future continuous tense. It will refresh the knowledge we gained in previous video. There are two helping verbs. The first one is will be and the other one is shall be. In this tense, we use first form of the verb plus ing. So let's start practice. She will be going to market. This is a positive sentence. Now we need to convert this into negative, so it will be she will not be going to market. And interrogative sentence will be will she be going to market question mark. If you notice, this tense has two helping verbs. However, both helping verbs are based on two different words. The first one is will be and the other one is shall be. When you will be converting a positive sentence into negative, you need to place in between will and be or shall and be not. So as I mentioned here, she will not be going to market. So not is placed in between these two words which are making one helping verb will be. So let's take another example. You will let's make it you. Okay, let's have another example. He will be traveling. So we need to now convert this one into he will not be traveling. Will he be traveling? Question mark. Now have another example. It will be raining. It will not be raining. Will it be raining? Question mark. Let's have another example. I shall be going to school. Full stop. I shall not be going to school. Shall I be going to school? Question mark. We shall be eating. We shall not be eating. Shall we be eating? Question mark. Let's have another example. They shall be playing. They shall not be playing. Shall they be playing? Question mark. I shall be jumping. I shall not be jumping. Shall I be jumping? Question mark. Let's have another example. We shall be visiting our friend. We shall not be visiting our friend. Shall we be visiting our friend? Question mark. Let's have another example. He will be going for shopping. He will not be going for shopping. Will he be going for shopping? Question mark. Let's have another example. I shall be flying. I shall not be flying. Shall I be flying? Question mark. Let's have another example. He will be drinking. He will not be drinking. Will he be drinking? She will be placing order. She will not be placing order. Will she be placing order? Question mark. Okay, let's have some more examples just for better understanding. That will help us to understand this tense in a better way. We shall be buying new clothes. We shall not be buying new clothes. Shall we be buying new clothes? If you are wondering why I've been typing in capital letters, I want my audience, my viewers, to have ease in watching and in reading, because that's equally important. I don't want you to be lost in font and size, so that's the reason I'm just typing in capital letters. Okay, let's have some more examples. She will be coming back from school. She will not be coming back from school. Will she be coming back from school? Question mark. He will be going to office. He will not be going to office. Will he be going to office? Let's have some more, a little bit more practice. They shall be buying fruits. They shall not be buying fruits. Shall they be buying fruits? We shall be buying new property. We shall not be buying new property. Shall we be buying new property? In this video, we have covered future continuous tense, and we had a practice of the same tense, future continuous. I hope you liked the video, and you did learn out of the practice which we had, and I'll request all my students and viewers to keep one thing in mind: practice will make you perfect. You need to have as much practice as you can, and you will have better command over language. So happy learning. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.